that the row that has erupted over Purvanchali's in the national capital ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, the Kejriwal party, Aam Aadmi Party, says that it is the BJP which is deleting the names of Purvanchalis. He also cited one incident where he said that JP Nadda from the Bharatiya Janata Party have himself admitted in parliament that he is removing the names, his party is removing the names of Purvanchalis from the voter list. So this was the major escalation in the Delhi Assembly elections. Running up to it, the Jats and Purvanchalis, the caste community politics that is raging in the Delhi Assembly elections. The BJP says the Aam Aadmi Party is against Purvanchalis. They are maligning them, insulting them and deleting their names and calling them fake voters in the Delhi Assembly elections. However, now Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal is hitting at the BJP, saying that it is your party which is insulting and maligning it. My colleague Ishika is also joining me from the location where several Purvanchali voters are right now protesting against Aam Aadmi Party and the Delhi government. Ishika, take us through how they see the current clarification that is coming in from Arvind Kejriwal, that it is not the Aam Aadmi Party but the BJP which is maligning and insulting them.
Well, yes, in fact, as you rightly mentioned, now, we are seeing that Arvind Kejriwal, in fact, has said that it is the BJP, rather, who has done nothing for the Purvanchali voters and rather cutting their names. So now the politics over Purvanchalis has only intensified. We are reporting from near Arvind Kejriwal's residence, where the BJP's Purvanchali Morcha has planned a mega protest march. We are in fact showing you the visuals here. You can look at the numbers of Purvanchalis who have BJP's Purvanchali Karyakartas, in fact, who have gathered here at the spot, and all of them will be protesting and marching towards Arvind Kejriwal's residence. In fact, we'll try to go across some. आज आप लोग यहाँ पर मार्च प्लान कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अरविंद केजरीवाल तो कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी ही एक्चुअली में पूर्वांचली वोटर्स के नाम काट देती है रोहिंग्या के नाम।
देखिए, ये उनके साफ नजर आता है कि वो डरे हुए, और पूर्वांचलियों के लिए ऐसा बोलना कितने शर्म की बात है, और उनका डर दिख रहा है। वो कभी पूर्वांचली पे बोलेंगे, अब नया जाटों पे भी बोल रहे हैं कि उनको भी चाहिए। तो पूर्वांचली उनके इन सब बातों से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। पूर्वांचल समाज 5 तारीख को, आने वाले 5 तारीख को जवाब देगा।
लेकिन वो तो कह रहे हैं कि नाम काट दिया बीजेपी वालों ने पूर्वांचली वोटर्स का रोहिंग्या के नाम पर।
देखिए, ये तथ्यात्मक बातें नहीं है, ये अनुचित बातें हैं, और उन्होंने हर बार पूरब के लोगों को नीचा दिखाने का जो काम करते हैं, इस बार पूर्वांचली लोग इनके बहकावे में नहीं आने वाले हैं। जो 31 सीटों पे यहाँ के निर्णायक भूमिका निभाने वाले पूरब के लोग हैं, उनको हर बार उन्होंने बोला कि 500 रुपये लेके आके और इलाज करा के चले जाते हैं। हमारे यहाँ से आने वाले लोग दिल्ली के हॉस्पिटलों में इलाज कराने नहीं जाते हैं। उनका मुख्य उद्देश्य होता है एम्स, सफदरजंग और आरएमएल का हॉस्पिटल, जो भारत सरकार के अंडर में आता है। इन्होंने 5 लाख रुपए की जो व्यवस्था थी भारत सरकार की योजनाओं पे, उन्होंने यहाँ पे लागू नहीं किया। 11 साल से राशन कार्ड नहीं बन पा रहे हैं।
ठीक है, मतलब कि ये जो है, इस पे आप कह रहे हैं कि अरविंद केजरीवाल ने कुछ नहीं किया है। नाउ इन फैक्ट वी विल शो यू द विजुअल्स आल्सो। द प्रोटेस्ट मार्च हैज स्टार्टेड ऑफ द पूर्वांचली मोर्चा। यू कैन सी द नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स हियर हु आर इन फैक्ट marching towards Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and they continue to raise slogans calling Arvind Kejriwal as Purvanchali Virodhi or anti-Purvanchali face of Arvind Kejriwal stands exposed is what they continue to raise slogans about. So certainly now we are seeing that just ahead of the Delhi election, the politics over the Purvanchali voters, or rather, the community politics has only taken the center stage now. Over to you.
And viewers, the Purvanchali and Ishika Purvanchali debate is nothing new. It has been in the limelight ever since this whole scene or episode came out, where the Purvanchali voters were being called Bangladeshis, Rohingyas, and then both the parties are time and again indulged in a war of words, saying that it is the other party which is trying to defame and malign this community. Right now, if you can go around and ask people how do they react to some other people How do they react to Arvind Kejriwal's clarification, and also the Bharatiya Janata Party also coming out and saying it is the Aam Aadmi Party which is against them?
Well, Aditi, you know, this protest march that we are showing you is actually BJP's Purvanchali Morcha's protest march. So, in fact, currently the roads have been blocked because of this march. That is why we cannot go to any common people as you're asking me to. But we will continue to show you the visuals right away. And in fact, as you rightly mentioned, we have seen how, in fact, you know, the politics over Purvanchalis has only intensified. We have seen how the politics has gone, you know, from the Chhat Puja to now, in fact, you know, Aam Aadmi Party alleging that the voters' name have been cut as well. In fact, we have the BJP spokesperson here as well. अरविंद केजरीवाल कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी ने नाम कटवाए हैं रोहिंग्या के नाम पर पूर्वांचलियों।
भारतीय राजनीति के अगर कोई सबसे बड़ा झूठा चरित्र है वो अरविंद केजरीवाल उनका नाम है। वो झूठ बोलते हैं, वोट काटने का काम भी उन्हीं के लोग कर रहे हैं, इलेक्शन ऑफिसर्स को धमकाने का काम उनके सांसद कर रहे हैं और उत्तर प्रदेश और बिहार के लोगों को गाली देने का काम खुद अरविंद केजरीवाल ने किया है। ये एक
वो पूछ रहे हैं कि आपने क्या किया है पूर्वांचलियों के लिए, ये बताएं।
पूर्वांचल के लोगों के लिए जो मेहनतकश लोग हैं, जो दिल्ली को अपना भविष्य मान के दूर दराज गांवों से, शहरों से, छोटे बस्तियों से आते हैं, उनके लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने वो काम किया है कि आप सोच नहीं सकते। आप जिस वक्त अपने शीश महल में इटालियन मार्बल और पर्दे के लिए सोच रहे थे, उस वक्त जब सांसों पे वार हो रही थी, तब हमारे लोगों ने उनके लिए काम किया, उनको जगह दी, उनको यहाँ पे सम्मान दिया है। और तमाम पूर्वांचल के लोगों को आप दिल्ली में देखेंगे बड़े बड़े ओहदे पे।
Certainly, we'll also like to show you the placards, you know, where the BJP is now demanding an apology from Arvind Kejriwal over his alleged remark, because BJP says that, in fact, you know, Arvind Kejriwal has called the Purvanchalis as fake voters. So certainly, this protest march is not going to stop today. It will only be intensified till the election. That is what we are getting to know from the BJP side. So certainly the politics over the Purvanchalis is only set to escalate now. Over to you.
Absolutely, Ishika, and not just the Purvanchalis, we are seeing how both the parties are trading charges at each other over the Jat community as well, with the Aam Aadmi Party chief coming out and saying that they are ready to give quota to Jat community. How does one see it? And if you can, you know, if you have people around you from the BJP, you can also ask around them, how do they see this reaction coming in?
Well, we just, you know, spoke to the BJP spokesperson, and he says that, you know, peddling lies is a character of Arvind Kejriwal. It's in fact him who has done nothing. And as you rightly mentioned, we are not seeing the politics only on the Purvanchalis, but it has also intensified over the Jat community. That only, you know, shows how tough this Delhi election is, because both the parties, or in fact all the three parties, are leaving no stone unturned to in fact target each and every section of the voters here. First of all, we'd like to show you the march, in fact, which has gone ahead rather, and they have gone towards Arvind Kejriwal's residence as well, is what we are getting, you know, to see here. But they will be shortly also breaking the barricade. So it is going to be dramatic from now on. But certainly now we are seeing that the community politics from both the sides, be it the BJP or be it from the Aam Aadmi Party, has only intensified now, and this is only set to escalate because the elections is very, very near. Over to you.
Right, Ishika, and these are the live visuals on the right side of the screen. These are the live visuals that we are getting of the march that my colleague Ishika is covering right now. The Purvanchali voters of the Bharatiya Janata Party are conducting a march, which my colleague Ishika was covering right now, and the barricades have been put up so that there is no law and order disruption that takes place in the national capital, as Ishika was reporting, that the road has been blocked so that the protest march can be stopped and be contained. You can see how the police deployment has been made. The protesters can be seen jumping from the barricades. These are all BJP workers who are from the Purvanchali background, and this is the way to counter the Aam Aadmi Party's allegation and the row over the Purvanchali. This remember, is a very big issue when it comes to Delhi. It is a significant voter base, be it Purvanchalis or the Jat community. It is a significant voter base and will impact the Delhi polls. Hence, the race to woo the voters, be it Purvanchalis or Jat, is intensifying with each day in the national capital. Remember, February 5 is the day when voters will decide, be it Kejriwal or the Congress or the BJP, which party will take the chair of the next chief minister of the national capital. But before that, this is the race to the Delhi Assembly elections, and BJP and Aam Aadmi Party are engaged in an intense war of words over the Jat community as well as the Purvanchali voters. And now Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal just now came out and said that it is the BJP which is cutting down the names of Purvanchalis, terming them illegal voters, saying they have come from Bangladesh and they are Rohingyas, and hence these names need to be cut down. These are the Ishika. I'll go back to Ishika in a few moments, but before that, this is what the intensifying political debate is. First of all, the Aam Aadmi Party says BJP is cutting down names of Purvanchalis, saying they are Bangladeshis and Rohingyas. But the BJP says it is the Aam Aadmi Party which is peddling a fake narrative and creating confusion in the minds of the people. My colleague Ishika remains with me, who is covering this march, which is currently in the national capital. Ishika, give us the details. How many people are there from the BJP, and what was the initial plan before being blocked?
You can see the numbers here. It is over 500 that we are seeing, these workers of the BJP, the Purvanchali workers have gathered here, and we are showing you the visuals also currently. You can see that this area is just very, in fact, near to Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and how the BJP workers here have, in fact, climbed on the barricades. In fact, you can see the numbers also, the strength also that we are showing you. ये आप जो प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, अरविंद केजरीवाल कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी ही वोट काट रहे।
अरविंद केजरीवाल को इस बार पूर्वांचली बताएगा, और मैं बता दूं आपको, दिल्ली की हर गली में पूर्वांचली रहता है, दिल्ली के हर वार्ड में पूर्वांचली रहता है, दिल्ली की हर विधानसभा में पूर्वांचली रहता है, और उसका जवाब लेगा।
वेरी ड्रामेटिक विजुअल्स हियर। ये प्रोटेस्ट मार्च आप जारी रखेंगे इलेक्शन?
नहीं, 2025 में केजरीवाल को इस बार पूर्वांचली भगा के छोड़ेगा दिल्ली से।
वो कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी ने क्या किया?
बीजेपी ने क्या नहीं किया, बीजेपी ने सब कुछ दिया। जब कोविड में पूर्वांचली रिंग रोड पर
माफी मंगवाना चाह रहे हैं आप केजरीवाल?
नहीं, अब माफी नहीं चाहिए, उनको बदलाव करके दिखाएंगे हम।
So certainly you can see very dramatic visuals right here, kind of a chaos of a situation it has now become. But we are showing you very dramatic visuals how the BJP Purvanchali Morcha workers have now started breaking the barricades here. They continue to march towards Arvind Kejriwal's residence here. And we also, in fact, my camera person Ritvik is zooming on the placards that you can see, the placards where in fact the BJP is now demanding an apology from Arvind Kejriwal over this issue, and they certainly are saying that their protest march is not going to stop till Arvind Kejriwal apologizes over his remark. Remember, BJP alleges that Arvind Kejriwal has called Purvanchalis as fake voters, and you're seeing the visuals here, the strength also you can see right here. They are in fact over 500 workers that we are seeing here currently who are marching towards Arvind Kejriwal's residence.
Right, Ishika, we can see on the screens how now water cannons are being deployed to control the BJP's Yuva Morcha. As we can see in the screen how BJP's Yuva Morcha workers are trying to break the barricades that have been put up in its place. And right now the visuals on your screens show how the Delhi police has been forced to use the water cannons to control the crowd. As my colleague Ishika is also reporting live from the ground, this is the situation escalating over the Purvanchali debate, where one side of the party, of the Aam Aadmi Party, says it is the BJP to blame, but BJP's Yuva Morcha over here is protesting and demanding an apology from the Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal, saying that he has maligned, insulted Purvanchalis, as well as he has done nothing. The Aam Aadmi Party, which has been in power, has done nothing for Purvanchalis in the national capital in the last 10 years. The debate now is intensifying. We can see how BJP's Yuva Morcha and Purvanchalis Morcha has escalated and broken some of the barricades. They have jumped from the barricades and gone on to the other side of the road. Remember, the road was blocked to control the protest. However, this seems to be a failed attempt by the Delhi police, as some of the people have jumped across from the barricades and moved to the other side. However, right now the focus of the Delhi police is to control this protest, which is intensifying with each second that we are talking. My colleague Ishika is also live on the ground in between this protest, and she is giving us all these updates. She also spoke to several BJP workers. They say that Arvind Kejriwal, former Delhi Chief Minister, should apologize to the people of the Purvanchalis, as the Aam Aadmi Party has done nothing for them. This is the way forward for the Aam Aadmi Party to accept what Purvanchalis in the national capital are demanding. Remember, viewers, this is the raging protest. The Purvanchalis, the Jat community, ahead of the upcoming assembly polls, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party in Delhi are sparring over the Jat quota and Purvanchalis. Remember, after projecting himself as Haryana ka Lal during the assembly polls in Haryana, Aam Aadmi Party national convener and former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has voiced his support for granting other backward classes reservation status to the Jat community. A move is being seen to consolidate Jat votes in the upcoming assembly elections. And now it is the Purvanchali voters that the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP are trying to woo. My colleague Ishika is with me. Ishika, we are seeing that the protest is intensifying. We are seeing how the police is trying to control, but there seems to be no control at this point. Some of the members have jumped across to the other side of the barricade.
Well, yes, in fact, the protest march has escalated now. Very dramatic visuals. We saw that water cannon was also used here, and this barricading layer that we are showing you, it is the second layer of barricade. The first layer of barricade has already been broken, and right now you can see how the BJP Purvanchali Karyakartas are on the second layer of barricades, and you can see how, in fact, they are being detained by the police officials now. Police official is now detaining these workers. You can see that this was, in fact, the protest march that they had planned till Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and Arvind Kejriwal's residence is just right next to it. And in fact, at that point, the second layer of barricades was put, but as soon as the BJP workers have reached here, they are now being detained. But very dramatic visuals, because water cannon has been used, and now you can see how, the police is in fact detaining all of these BJP's Purvanchali Karyakartas here. You can see the visuals. We're trying to show you the live visuals here. All of these workers, these protesters are now being detained here, but they continue to raise slogans against Arvind Kejriwal. ये protest march जारी रहे. So certainly you can hear them continuously raising slogans against Arvind Kejriwal, and here very dramatic scenes unfolding here. We can see how the police is trying to detain all of the protesters, trying to bring them down from the second level of the barricading that has been done here. So certainly now, after this drama that is taking place at the very street of Delhi, now we are expecting that this community politics is only set to escalate even more. Over to you.
Right, Ishika, and these are the Purvanchali. This is the Purvanchali Morcha that is protesting currently against the Aam Aadmi Party. My colleague Ishika is reporting live from the protest. There are over 500 people who wanted to march towards Delhi Chief Minister's residence and Arvind Kejriwal's residence, but it seems that the police is now detaining some of the workers. This is the BJP, these are the BJP workers who are being detained right now by the police. The police try to control the crowd using the water cannon, and also layers of barricading have been done to control. first layer of barricading was broken by the workers, as we saw several BJP workers jumping from the barricade to the other side and police trying to control them. Now the second layer of barricading is where the protest has led to and is intensifying. Currently, BJP workers are being detained by the Delhi police. And remember, this has been a debate time and again how Purvanchalis and Jat communities can be wooed by the parties in the national capital. It is a prestige battle for the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. The Aam Aadmi Party is seeking to control and be able to remain unbeatable in Delhi, with Chief Minister Atishi being the face. However, the BJP is yet to clarify who will be the face of the BJP in the Delhi, but the overall big fight has now shifted to caste and community. The Jat community and the Purvanchalis have a significant voter base in the national capital, and hence ahead of the day when Feb 5 will come and voters will decide which party will remain in power or come into power, is when everybody will have an answer to this attempt to woo the voters. Will BJP have an impact of this protest that is underway to impress that they are the ones who really care about the voters and the interests of Purvanchalis, or will it be the Aam Aadmi Party which will have a bigger say in all of this protest? As we heard Arvind Kejriwal coming out and saying that it is the BJP which is cutting the voters, the Purvanchali voters' names from the election list. The BJP and the BJP delegation will also meet Election Commission today, and the Aam Aadmi Party delegation met the Election Commission yesterday. There is war of words over the caste and community. Also, the parties are trying their best to impress the voters. Remember, in Haryana, the Aam Aadmi Party also played the same card. Arvind Kejriwal had gone on to say that he is the Haryana ka lal, and hence they wanted more vote and more support of the Jat community. My colleague Ishika remains with me. Ishika, take us through the war of words that is brewing right now. Are these protesters trying to march towards the Chief Minister, towards Chief Arvind Kejriwal's residence, or the protest march has been contained at the second layer of barricading?
For the 30 seconds now, I'll just show you around the visuals as to what exactly is happening on the ground. Number one, you can see that, very spot is Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and just ahead of it, barricades have been put. You can see that currently these protesters are being detained by the Delhi police. You can see how they are being detained. Visuals very dramatic at this point of time, and they continue to be detained here in Delhi police buses here. And here, the BJP demands an apology from Arvind Kejriwal, because they allege that Arvind Kejriwal has called Purvanchalis as fake voters. In fact, we'll also try to get
अपमान नहीं सहने वाले केजरीवाल को दिल्ली छोड़ना है।
माफी मांगना चाहिए।
पूर्वांचल का ये
माफी की मांग करते हैं।
माफी मांगे।
So you can hear all of these leaders of the Purvanchali Morcha of the BJP who continue to say that they demand an apology at this point of time from Arvind Kejriwal. And you can see scenes very dramatic at this point of time. You can see how all of them are being in fact detained in Delhi police buses. And in fact the placards also that are here, in fact all against Arvind Kejriwal. They continue to raise slogans against Arvind Kejriwal, and they say that this protest march will only continue. Now coming to the community politics, the question that you were asking, Aditi, we have seen that apart from all the local issues that were there, now after that the Sheesh Mahal round, now in fact the focus of the parties has shifted to the community politics. We yesterday saw how Arvind Kejriwal attacked the central central government and the BJP and in fact Prime Minister Modi over the Jats in Delhi. He said that the Jats in Delhi should be included in the OBC list of the central government. That has not been there is what Arvind Kejriwal said, and right after that we saw how the BJP has now only amped up its attack on Arvind Kejriwal over the Purvanchali issue. They allege that yesterday, while coming out of the election commission, Arvind Kejriwal has called Purvanchalis as fake voters, and this now has exposed Arvind Kejriwal's anti-Purvanchali face, is what the BJP says. Now, in fact, it is certainly to note that, be it, the Purvanchalis or be it the Jats, they in fact have an impact on many seats here in the national capital. Thus, this fight has got so intense, this Delhi election has got so intense that these political parties are now in fact, going on for the community politics as well, only to woo every section of the voters. So certainly it is already an intensified battle of Delhi election, and community politics now only taking the center stage. Over to you.
Right. And talking about the Purvanchalis, these are the migrants that have come from eastern UP or Bihar. They are significant voters in the national capital. The raging debate continues over which party is actually thinking of their benefit. Is it the Aam Aadmi Party or the BJP? Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party has said that it is the BJP which is cutting the names of these migrants who have come from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar and are now the residents and voters in the Delhi. But the BJP counters Aam Aadmi, saying that the party is creating a false narrative in between the minds of the Delhi voters just in order to create confusion. The BJP says the AAP is trying to peddle a fake narrative ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, which are due on Feb 5. February 5 is when the voting will take place, and Feb 8 is when the elections result will come out. This is a significant voter base in Delhi. There are several communities which vote, and time and again BJP and Aam Aadmi Party are engaged in a war of words to woo the voters. Right now, the Purvanchali Morcha of the Bharatiya Janata Party is protesting and want to march towards Arvind Kejriwal's residence. However, the police barricading, the first layer of barricading was broken by the BJP workers after they jumped over the barricades. The police also deployed water cannons to control the crowd, but this was of no use. Right now, the BJP workers are being detained by the police as they say that BJP workers want an apology from Arvind Kejriwal, as they say that Aam Aadmi Party chief has insulted them. They are saying that it is the Aam Aadmi Party which is deleting and cutting down the names of Purvanchalis, and they know that they will lose in the elections. Hence, this is a desperate attempt of the Aam Aadmi Party to get the voters. My colleague Ishika remains with me. Ishika, take us through the latest war of words over this Jat community as well as the Purvanchalis.
Well, first we'd like to show you that, the protest is almost over now, because, almost all of the workers here have been detained. But let me show you the visuals on the other side as well. You can see that right behind this is Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and you could see the kind of deployment that has been done. And thus, we showed you the kind of dramatic scenes that unfolded right here at the street, where water cannons were used, how, the BJP workers, they broke the first layer of barricades and then they went and climbed on the second layer of the barricades here. You can see the police deployment there here as well. In fact, trying to detain the rest of the workers here as well. So certainly now, with this protest march, rather very dramatic protest march of the BJP over the Purvanchali voters issue, the community politics that we were talking about, it has intensified. Because as you mentioned, we know that, for a fact, these Purvanchali voters also, in fact, are here in large numbers and they have an impact on many seats here in the national capital. Now, apart from that, even if you talk about the Jat voters, even they have an impact. So now we are seeing that both the parties have now shifted their attention, their focus on the community politics right now, and as a result of that, we saw even a poster war that erupted. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal, in fact, being criticized for his remark, and here Arvind Kejriwal saying the same about the BJP over the Jats. But here you can see the visuals. We continue to show you the visuals. The protest is almost over here, but see the deployment of the police, and in fact, these are the rest of the Karyakartas here. In fact, we'd like to show you more so that this was, the first layer of the barricades that was broken here. ये लगातार प्रोटेस्ट आपका चलते रहेगा
लगातार जब तक वो माफी नहीं मांग लेगा जब तक चलता रहेगा।
लेकिन अरविंद केजरीवाल कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी ने आज तक कुछ नहीं किया पूर्वांचल में।
बीजेपी ने सब कुछ किया जी, नहीं किया तो गाली भी तो नहीं दिया जी। 1993 में जीती थी, उस टाइम लाल बिहारी तिवारी हमारे मंत्री थे।
Certainly now, in fact, the police telling us to shift from here because they are trying to end this protest because the road has been blocked. But you can see here that the BJP workers certainly saying that they are not going to stop until and unless there is an apology that is issued by Arvind Kejriwal over his alleged remark. So now certainly focus of both the parties, the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, has now shifted to community politics. First, Arvind Kejriwal criticizing the BJP, rather attacking the BJP over not including the Jat voters of Delhi under the OBC list, and now BJP attacking Arvind Kejriwal over, in fact, the Purvanchali voters issue. And this is not new, as you rightly mentioned, Aditi, but this has only escalated as the Delhi election is very near. Over to you.